Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exams Cluster. Today in this video we are going to discuss the various queries posted by the different students oblique candidates regarding the certificate of practice after passing the AIB 15 exam. What are their questions, what is a solution, and what is a next step which they have to follow. We are going to discuss in this video. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. The basic question asked by or commented by most of the people are in the comment box was that their results is not showing. As in my earlier videos also, I have told you that the BCD All India Bar Exam, All India Bar Council has already notified by their notification that the whatever the results which are withheld or the results in which the result is showing declared later will be declared in the process within a week or 10 days time. So people do not have to worry about that first of all. Next question is that many candidates have responded that initially they have passed, but now their result is showing as undeclared later. You don't have to worry about that. In case you were passed and were showing as unpassed, then and if you have taken a printout or you have taken a screenshot of that pass result, you can submit that screenshot or result and send an email to All India Bar Exam, in which in the AIB help desk it is very clearly mentioning all your details and attaching the proof that initially I was showing as an pass now, but now it is showing as a result withheld or declared later. Second, it is also confirmed that once you have shown as an pass, obviously you will not be shown as an fail. It is just a computer error or is a systematic error at the All India Bar examination level itself. So people does not have to worry about that. Whosoever have passed, obviously they will again be declared as an pass, and whenever their results are showing as an pass, please take a printout, a screenshot of that, so that it can come handy whenever you require it. Second question is the most asked question about that: what is a document? I have already told that what are the documents you need to submit to the concerned bar council. First, now people who have already passed AIB 15 exam, what they have to do? First, they have to take a printout of their result. First, copy of that result. Second, your enrollment certificate. Second, third is your admit card of All India Bar Exam. 3 and 4 is your 2 photographs in the advocate dress. These 4 documents are mandatory from your side. Fifth document would be a form which will be provided by your concerned bar council where you have enrolled initially. Wherever you have enrolled, suppose XYZ person has enrolled in the Bar Council of Delhi. So he has to go to the Siri Fort Auditorium or the other offices in the Bar Council of Delhi, and then he has to say that this is my enrollment certificate and I have already passed the Bar India 15 exam. This is my result copy. So they will provide you a form which will be a minimum cost, I think 100 or 200 rupees depending upon the concerned bar council, which will be provided to you. You have to submit that form, fill in the form, do the necessities in the form and attach all those documents and submit it to the concerned bar council office, which after their verification and all those process, they will issue a permanent certificate for lifetime or maybe for 15-20 years depending upon the concerned bar council. First of all, now the next question is where the form will be provided. The form will be provided by the concerned bar council where you have enrolled yourself initially. Your enrollment certificate is applied at Uttar Pradesh, it will be you will be getting a form from Uttar Pradesh Bar Council only, from the concern whatever the district you have applied for. Second, if it is Delhi, it will be Delhi as it, and the same will follow in the other state also. Second question is what is the fees of that form? It depends upon the concerned bar council. Sometime it is minimum 50 to 100 rupees, maybe somewhere it would be a little bit more, but not more than that. Third is, now suppose your enrollment certificate has expired before 31st of March 2021. So in that case, you need not to worry about that. I have already uploaded a video in which you have Bar Council, All India Bar Council and those have already given a notification that your enrollment certificate, if expiring from 24th of March 2020 till 31st of March 2021, then your experience will not be lapsed. Your experience will count up to 31st March 2021, and within that time, if you have already passed AIBE exam, then you will be considered as in continuing practice. Like suppose XYZ person is enrollment certificate is expiring in August to 17th of August 2020, and just because it was lockdown and the notification is already there that your extension has been granted up to 31st of March 2021, and he has also passed the AIBE exam 15, now he need not to worry about that till 31st of March 2021, because the result was declared on 30th of March 2021 by the All India Bar Council. Now if the person has passed that exam, then his practice will be termed as in continued. There will be not a lapse. For those candidates who are unable to pass it, who were unable to make it out in the All India Bar Exam 15, their enrollment will end up on 31st of March 2021. So from 1st April 2021, they cannot practice in any court of law, because as it is already told that it is the enrollment certificate is validity is only for 2 years, which might be mentioned on your enrollment certificate. And if that end date is between 24th of March 2020 till 31st of March 2021, then your practice will be termed as in continued. Otherwise, and you have passed, and if you have passed AIB 15 exam after that or AIB 14 exam within that whatever the time period is, then your practice will termed as in continued. But those candidates who are unable to pass it, obviously for them their practice will be stopped there. Now what you have to do after taking, you have to take all these documents, approach the office of concerned bar council, and there is no online facility as of now available with the bar council of any state, I think so. So you have to check your respective bar council websites, because from there you will get the clarification whether it is online or offline. In Delhi or other states, most of the states are doing it offline. And second thing is that your certificate of practice will not be given initially. It will take some time. Sometime maybe it will take an year or maybe 10 months, 8 months. It all depends upon their verification process and further process. So you need not worry about that. You have to carry your All India Bar Exam result, admit card, existing enrollment certificate whenever you are appearing for court. In any case, if suppose anybody is questioning your practice, then you can show them that yes, this is an enrollment certificate, I have already passed the exam, and this is the admit card and this is the result. So nobody will question you after that. But yes, if you have not passed and if you are continuing the practice, then it will again be a violation of the Bar Council of India stipulations and rules and regulation given. So please make a note of it, and don't bother that when you will be getting a certificate of practice you will be getting it within a time as per the process. Certificate of practice you will be getting as in process, but don't worry about that. Once you have applied, and there is no time limit to apply for the same. You can apply it today, you can apply tomorrow, you can apply after a month, you can apply after 15 days, but I'll suggest you to apply it as soon as possible so that you will get a certificate of practice in as soon as possible. So there is no time limit and you need not worry about that. But yes, if possible, try to do it as soon as possible. If any other query is there, please post in your comment so that I can clarify the same in the through the comments or through the upcoming videos. And whatever I am again telling you, if your enrollment certificate has expired between 24th of March 2020 till 31st of March 2021, you need not worry about that. Your practice will be termed as in continued till 31st of March 2021. But the condition is that you must have passed your All India Bar Exam before 31st of March 2021. If you have passed it, then your practice will be termed as in continued. If you have not passed it, if you are unable to make it out, then your practice will not be continued after 31st of March 2021. Thank you friends, thank you for watching the video. If any queries here, kindly post in the comment section so that the same will be clarified.